Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start with power and charge because nothing else matters if the battery is dead. Plug the included USB cable and charge for at least 1 hour. The LED shows red while charging, then white when nearly full. Once done, unfold the ear cups and press the power button on the right ear cup for 1 to 2 seconds to turn the headset on. Make sure to check the battery indicator or the Beats app so you know how long you can use them before recharging. Next, you pair the headphones with your phone or laptop so audio plays wirelessly. First, enable Bluetooth on the device and watch available devices. Tap Beat Studio 3 to pair. If you don't see it, press and hold the power button for about 5 seconds until the LED flashes to enter pairing mode. Make sure the source device supports AAC or aptX for better sound. Once paired, the devices remember each other and reconnect automatically Finally, get the fit, controls, and quick fixes right so you can enjoy uninterrupted listening. Adjust the headband and rotate ear cups for a snug seal. This improves bass response and active noise cancellation. Use the built-in controls to play and pause, skip tracks, or answer calls. Volume is controlled on the source device. If audio won't play or pairing fails, reset the headset by holding power and volume down together for about 10 seconds to clear pairing memory. Then repair as before.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.